in the laps of Himachal Pradesh, surrounded by Himalayas, a place they call the Queen of Hill Stations. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shimla. So let's explore. After wandering through the streets of Shimla, going for a trek is always a brave decision. Because the best view comes after the hardest climb. 20 kilometers ahead of Shimla, a small hill station, Kufri, deserves a visit. Because if Shimla couldn't satisfy your exploration hunger, then definitely Kufri will do.